if you'd like to change something anywhere in your life or a few things, stay tuned because I'm going to share the number one tip you need to be aware of to transform. This is going to sound simple, but it's not easy, so stick with me. The number one thing you really need to acknowledge and let sink in, really sink into your knowing, and this is the foundation that all future growth is going to be based on, the idea that you are already worthy and have divinity inside you. When you really let that sink in and know it and connect with that divinity for guidance on your continued growth and evolution, this is our job. Humans are imperfect by our nature, and so this is our job to continuously become aware of where improvements can be made and to lean in. There is no end destination on this journey, so you want to enjoy it and be okay with where you are right now. It's a journey, and it's no competition. Everyone had a different starting point. Believe it or not, based on their birth circumstances, everyone has a different starting point, and that's okay. Your journey is unique to you, and you are invaluable to this world. As you are, you're loved and have a great, great journey ahead of you of personal growth. So just know you're not broken, and that's going to give you the foundation you need for everything else. You're perfect as you are in your human imperfection, and it's a journey that you can enjoy. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.